Alright guys, so I got flown out here to Chicago and we're building basically a poor man's tank. We got like 3,000 pounds of plate we're gonna put on this thing. And I'm just super excited. And we're actually gonna be showing off this new machine from HTP, Revolution 2500.
This is the donor SUV. It's a Volkswagen Touareg powered by a V10 diesel, and we've got 3 days to finish this thing. We're gonna start taking the car apart because a lot of it is plastic and it has to go. We need fresh clean metal so that we can weld all the panels to it.
Alright, so I think we gotta remove all this crash support because I don't think we need it. Alright guys, so we got the front end off. We took the air boxes off, and then Caleb is currently gonna cut the exhaust off, so I'm super stoked to hear how it's gonna sound. I mean, it might sound like the Lambo, because it is V10. So yeah, I think this piece will go like something like this.
Since we only have 3 days to do this, we decided we're just gonna weld the hood straight to the hinges. This is a 200-pound hood, so it's pretty hard to open. Now bear with me guys, I am a one-man team, so I'm not gonna get all the shots.
Alright, get a little bit of prop and then weld it all out.
Running a little bit short on material.
Who would have thought with 3,000 pounds of metal we wouldn't have enough?
I mean, it's only took like 22 hours in CAD to design.
Yeah, we're just cutting it up and ruining it. So where do we square from here all the way up to here? Yeah. That line right there? All right.
These pieces were not the right size, so we're just gonna fill everything in. Now this was kind of Ben's idea.
Very nice. Yeah, Peter over here, he doesn't really know what he's doing.
No, he doesn't know what he's doing, but he's faking it till he's making it one day.
The bullets are just gonna go in here and bounce around like that.
Yeah, sure.
Kind of headlight design in there.
Yeah, there you go.
And look, we
That's
cut
dope.
this by this.
Yep.
Cut this by this.
Boom, we got a Lexus tank.
Yeah, it really does kind of give Lexus vibes.
How are you gonna mirror that to the other side? Because that side is not like that side.
Well, just draw a new one up. No big deal.
So the bad guys are just gonna have a straight shot into the cabin.
Yeah,
through those.
Alright, if you don't get this first try, it's gonna be embarrassing.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! That sounds a lot better than digital.
Got it.
Cut the wiring harness real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, take your time.
It's the end of day one. We got this front end pretty much squared away, and it's actually growing on me. I really like the way it looks. We've got some trimming to do, and we're just gonna add a giant bumper on here, make it look sick. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey, nah, we can't have you working on cars, Ben.
I think it looks good.
Alright guys, so this thing is actually getting a turret on the top. So gotta mark these out. Does this thing get welded to the sheet metal?
Yeah, so the cut has to be precise. That's how Elon makes his space shuttles. He just...
Hey, be careful. I don't want to get like sparks on the...
No, it's okay. I won't be close.
Alright guys, so we got the rear door welded on and the quarter panel. Next up we're working on the hatch, so we're gonna completely weld this thing shut.
While the boys were working on the back of the vehicle, I was welding up some auxiliary gas tanks. And this is laser cut aluminum. I've never welded laser cut aluminum before, and one thing I've noticed is it is so smooth. There's no contamination at all.
Alright guys, so I'm actually getting there guys. The new HTP Revolution is putting down some amazing welds.
Yeah, nice aluminum weld, so good.
After running this machine for a day and a half, I have to say it's amazing, and I can't find anything that I don't like about it. Everything is already thought out. This machine is designed to be headache free. It has incredible software, and I believe these are starting to go live here soon. You can pre-order them, but they are going to be available on July 4th.
So while I was welding the gas tank, the boys plated up this whole rear end, and man, it is looking crazy sick.
Watch out, it'll give you tetanus. So these go, well, so I think Peter's vision was to have this on here.
Cut this out, bend this around,
It
and
doesn't
then
look like it'll reach all the way.
I don't see the vision.
There is none.
An 8-year-old is showing us up.
Alright, so this is day 3. Now that the project is finished, we're going to go ahead and coat it in a coat of black Raptor liner.
Seems like we finally got it done after about 3 days. This thing is pretty crazy. I'll drive it even though I got a CDL. I can't be doing no dumb stuff.
What do you mean? You got a CDL? It's perfect for it.
You got a CDL?
We're a certified driver.
The rest of us can't drive it because it's probably over 26,000 pounds. Nobody wants to drive. I don't blame them.
Okay, I can see now.
Okay. I'll let you know if anything comes up. This is our view right now. Is that a police helicopter up there?
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's pretty fun. We got to take this thing somewhere crazy, like the hood or the drive-through.
Yep, McDonald's drive-through.
Yep.
A little sharper, sharper, sharper. Can I get a medium blue raspberry colada?
Yeah, we're just getting ready for the apocalypse.
Cup holder.
Alright, so we got some 380 extreme penetrators. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a mag dump on the car, see how tight of a group I could do.
Hey, the first windshield shot.
Bulletproof.
The glass isn't.
This stuff packs a punch. Nothing. Time for rifles.
Fire in the hole for 2 rounds.
He's
gonna
rounds.
shoot 2.
Alright, we got 5.56 here.
Oh.
Alright, y'all ready?
Metal. Holy sh.
Alright,
Oh, that was the airbag, I think.
alright, I'm going for the turret.
Clear?
Yep, clear.
You can't see all the way through it. It didn't go through though.
The Touareg is such a tank that the doors were already bulletproof.
Yeah. The entire
Yeah, the
door.
driver is safe, but see the glass is crumbled.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be in the turret.
Needs to have heavier material for the turret.
Yeah.
What if I shot the seam? You think y'all think it would stop it? The welding seam?
If you could hit the
it's
welding
not gonna be
seam
the
from all the way
same.
back there.
Because it's hardened.
Nah, it's not full penetration
Oh.
welded. It's just on the surface.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Alright, that's going to be a wrap for this video. It actually went down pretty good. And the places where it did penetrate, it did not actually go through the glass, in this case, or the door panel. This build was super fun. Huge thanks to HTP for basically paying for all of this. And also, Gen V-Tune and Waldo Welds. Yeah, guys, I have to catch you in the next one. Stay tuned and peace.